Welcome back. Today we are in the upstairs bathroom. We're really needing to get it cleaned out because it's a wreck. When we were renovating the master bedroom, all the construction stuff just kind of got thrown in here. So I'm really needing to get that cleared out, and also because we are getting new carpet in 2 days and some of the stuff is spilling out into the hallway, so I really don't want the carpet installers to be tripping over things. Also, it'd just be really nice to be able to use this bathroom again, because when we're sleeping up here and if we need to go to the bathroom, we have to go all the way downstairs and all the way through the house to get to the other bathroom. This is what this room is looking like right now. This bathroom is also partially torn apart because we extended the bathroom. We are wanting to put a shower into this bathroom and making it a full bathroom. We also do have plans to extend it the other way as well, but we haven't gotten to that demolition just yet. So we will be getting to renovating this hopefully soon, but at least for today, we need to get it cleared out so we can just at least use the toilet and the sink. Plug that back in. I didn't realize it wasn't installed. This is a workout, going from the second floor and bringing all this stuff down into the basement. Ugh, there's a lot of stuff in that little bathroom. Future project. I think for the time being, I'm just going to put all of our trim back into the shower area that is torn apart. I'm not sure if we're going to reuse any of this trim or if we're burning it or throwing it away or what we're doing with it. So I don't want to take a ton of trips up and down the stairs if I don't need to. My boyfriend was just asking where these wheels went. Well, I just found one of them wedged in between a sink and a toilet. But yeah, these are for the shop vac, so I have no idea where the other 2 or 3 are. Everything's caked in drywall dust, so I'm so tired of like dry, dusty hands. That's gross. That's mainly drywall dust. And then the dust that was on it before. Alright, it's the next day, and now that it's light out again, I noticed that the window is kind of dirty, and I need to dust some stuff in here, and I need to mop the floors, so I'm going to wrap up this last little bit, and then I'm going to tell you kind of our plans for this bathroom. right, that's looking a lot better. But I do want to give you an overview of the plans for this bathroom. So where it's all torn out and where all the trim is hanging out for now, that will be a shower. We want to do the floor with Petoskey stones. I'll show a picture so you know what those are if you're unfamiliar, but they're these cool rocks that you can find in Michigan, and they change as they get wet. We already have a lot of Petoskey stones. We do need to find some more. We do know of a good place, but we're gonna have to wait until summer to go get more. And then I'm thinking along this wall, we might do a thin vanity. This bathroom is not very wide, so it is gonna have to be a thinner vanity. This wall is actually gonna get pushed back about, I think, 3 feet. So that way we can get a bigger vanity in. So I think the toilet will then be on the right side. So yeah, we're gonna expand this bathroom, make it more usable, actually turn this house into a 3-bed, 2-bath house. So it'll be nice to have a full bath on the 2nd floor. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I hope you like and subscribe, and I will see you next Sunday.